This isn't a joke. Someone just turned 1,500 bucks into almost $1 million from a penguin coin. And this happened in just 9 days. Yeah, a penguin, but not the cute one you see on exchanges like Pengu. This one is fresh, born in the trenches from a viral TikTok clip. So if you're scrolling TikTok all day, this could be yours. The White House even tweeted about this penguin. President Trump and all major figures all did the same, which drove the valuation of this penguin coin to over $170 million. But just after weeks of trending, this penguin finally stopped running. This is the story of the Nietzschean Penguin. It all goes back to a weird old video from 2007, a documentary by Werner Herzog called Encounters at the End of the World. In one scene, there's this single penguin who leaves his group and just walks alone across the ice toward distant mountains. No reason, no coming back. It's basically walking to its death. Herzog calls it the nihilist penguin. Super lonely, super existential. The internet fell in love with this penguin, well, 20 years later. People calling it the depressed penguin, the nihilist penguin, the bird who walks alone. Then someone added a caption that changes everything. This penguin is the absolute embodiment of every man. We're all penguins walking toward the mountains, and we owe explanations to absolutely nobody. That line has Nietzsche vibes, the philosopher who talked about rejecting the crowd, forging your own way, being the Übermensch, which is German for super strong individual. The meme faded for years, then boom, it blew up again in early 2026 on TikTok, Reddit, and crypto Twitter. The same lonely penguin, same philosophy. The traders saw themselves in it. Degens fighting the market, builders going against the crowd, and that's how Penguin Token was born. No utility, no roadmap, just narrative, emotion, and culture. And in the trenches where degens are gambling every single day just to find one good narrative out of thousands to potentially make money, well, a unique penguin with a unique story was all that it takes. Personally, I don't think the odds are worth the risk because 99% of meme coin traders lose money, especially if you don't know what you're doing. Instead, you should try something else that gives you a fairer shot, like SoPump. SoPump is the best on-chain Solana gambling website available to play on. It's my go-to when the markets are down and the trenches are lacking. All you gotta do to play is just connect any Solana wallet like Phantom or Backpack, then bet directly out of your wallet on any of their games. You can play their 50-50 Solana coin flip game, on-chain Solana blackjack, and crash. You can also get free rewards every day like this free Solana case and hourly Solana airdrops. They also have their very own token, SoPump, that you earn on every single bet. Now, if you want to play where I play, come to SoPump and type in my code CNJ. Now, let's get back to the video. This penguin went on to receive its first presidential approval of memes. Someone on the internet made an AI image of Trump holding hands with the lonely penguin, both marching toward mountains with a Greenland flag waving. At first, it seemed like it's just another random, funny internet joke, but it worked perfectly for one big reason. Back in 2019, Trump openly talked about wanting the US to buy Greenland from Denmark. That idea became a huge, long running meme online. People joked endlessly about Trump's obsession with the island, obviously for its resources, strategic location, and etc. So when this AI image popped up, it clicked instantly. Crypto Twitter, especially the Solana Memecoin crowd, grabbed it fast. Engagement blew up. Retweets, quote tweets, edits. This meme was everywhere. Then one key figure stepped in, Elon Musk. He replied to a related post. Some says a grok generated video of a penguin or something like that with a simple heart emoji, but that was enough. When Elon touches a meme, the algorithm does the rest. Suddenly, the penguin wasn't just a niche joke anymore. It became massive mainstream viral content. The killer moment was the official White House X account jumped in and posted their own version. Trump, Penguin, Greenland, with the caption, Embrace the Penguin. They did not start the meme, they just rode the wave for free attention. But when the US government touches your meme, it feels approved. In crypto, that kind of mainstream spotlight sends tokens flying, and Penguin was the chosen one. Penguin went parabolic in days. On-chain trackers show aggressive accumulation after the Whitehouse post. One whale bought about 20.7 million tokens for over $2.6 million in Solana tokens. At the same time, Arkham Data identified another wallet that acquired about $54,000 worth of Penguin tokens and later went on to have over $1.5 million in unrealized gains without taking profits or moving tokens anywhere. Market cap surged from low millions to peak above 170 million plus before volatility and pullbacks set in. There were these running jokes online saying that if you bought $400 a penguin just 9 days ago, you would have had $4 million by now. But these were just paper gains at peak, not guaranteed profits, because not everyone sold at the top. Not everyone won. Crazy? Yeah, but this is just how meme coins work when attention explodes. But when attention dies out, here's the part nobody likes to talk about. Most meme coins will die with it. Not slowly, but violently. Millions of meme coins were launched every single year. Pump.fund alone did over 11 million tokens by mid 2025, and less than 1% ever get to a decent size. The rest, rugged, abandoned, forgotten. And the pattern is always similar. Anonymous devs with no history, artificial pumps with no real catalyst, weak or fake communities, whales unloading on retails, new narratives replacing old ones overnight. Sometimes it's not even the project's fault. A Bitcoin dip is enough to pull the floor from everything. Meme coins can make you rich in days or wipe you out of your account in minutes. So if you don't understand the game, you became the exit liquidity. Now, if you want to know more about how to trade meme coins on Solana, I suggest you checking this video out. Now, real examples of how fast you can get rugged is Cow and Ralph, two Solana meme coins that started with hype, early pumps, and community buzz. Ralph rode its AI meme wave to about $50 million in all-time high. Then the developer Jeffrey Huntley dumped $300,000 into thin liquidity. Price crashed 90% in hours. Early insiders won, but everyone else lost. The cow token is similar. It pumped because everyone thought that it was tied to a big trader called Perpetual Cow, but he said, nope, it's not mine. So the narrative was dead, price down 90% fast. It only takes one weak link, like a single dump, one piece of FUD, a better meme elsewhere, or Bitcoin bleeding, to send even a strong project straight to zero. So the winners weren't smarter, they were just earlier. So it's obvious when you're looking at Penguin now. Right now, Penguin is sitting in the scariest spot of any meme coin. That post-hype hangover phase. The thing that made Penguin hyped up in the first place was the White House and president interaction. There are seemingly no bigger things out there that could drive up the price anymore. I mean, what could be bigger than Elon Musk, the richest man in the world, the US president, tweeting about you? Well, I mean, they could always post another penguin meme, but the trenches already moved on to other things. So until that happens, Penguin will have a hard time finding its new all-time high. So for me personally, I won't be buying Penguin for now. It's still finding its bottom with no confirmation in sight. We could see Penguin dump to as low as $10 million market cap or even lower than that. That's tough, but that's my reality. Have you seen Bitcoin, by the way? Nothing pumps with Bitcoin bleeding like this. Certainly not a forgotten penguin with an overhyped market cap. So, in conclusion, 2026 is a mature crypto market. No easy 100x altcoin seasons anymore. Most capital flows into Bitcoin, Ethereum, and major narratives, and that's it. But meme coins remain the wild frontier. Low capital, high volatility, pure attention warfare. Some treat meme coins like a lottery, but in reality, they actually follow a system: narrative, culture, attention, liquidity. Understand the system and you can survive the trenches. Ignore it and you become the exit. Because 2026 Meme coins are no longer jokes, they are attention markets. And attention is not what the penguin has right now. Maybe it's better off left alone, walking to snowy mountain, facing the harsh winter wind. So if you enjoyed this breakdown and want more stories from the Solana trenches, hit that like and subscribe button for more contents like this. Thank you so much for watching. Daily out.